Oh my gosh. This is perfect. This is gonna be the next location for our new Costco warehouse. Right here along this beautiful lake. All we have to do is just cut down all these trees, fill in this lake with plenty of filled dirt, and then we'll be rolling in the dough. Just gotta get this tree out of the way.
No, stop!
Whoa. What's
Do you
going
know
on?
how important this tree is to the Florida ecosystem?
No, I had no idea. It's just a pine tree.
This is not just a pine tree, it's a Dade County /pine tree.
Well, what's that?
The Dade County /pine tree is important to lots of animals and lots of humans. The pioneers used it because it's rot and termite resistant. This is important because the pioneers didn't have pesticides or air conditioning to keep their houses rot and termite free. Shipbuilders like to use the Dade County /pine because it's strong and can grow up to 75 to 100 feet tall. And it is water resistant, so it won't rot in the ocean water. The /pine got its name from slashing people did to the bark to collect a sticky resin, which is used to make turpentine, which is used in paints and cleaners. Animals used the Dade County /pine for a good home and a food source. The endangered red woodpecker and the endangered bald eagle use the /pine for their nest. And the gray squirrels, fox squirrels, wild turkeys also use it for their food.
Wow, I didn't know how important these /pines were. I thought they were just regular pine trees.
Would you like to hear about the life cycle?
I guess why not?
So when the tree gets about 10 years old, it will start producing cones. And it will produce female cones and male cones. The female cones are what you would picture when I say pine cone. But the male cones are really unique. And that's what makes the pine tree a cool tree. This is a male pine cone. They're tiny and they're so fascinating. So the male cones have pollen and the female cones have a sticky resin. So once the male cone's pollen floats into the female's sticky resin, the female will drop the seeds into the ground. When the seeds germinate, that's when it's called a seedling. And then when it grows up to get its first needles, that's when it's called a sapling. And then about 9-ish years later, it will start producing new pine cones to make new /pines. But we don't want to cut these trees down because there's only 2% of them left. So we want to let them grow so we can keep reproducing and make a whole population of /pines again, so they can get off that endangered species list. And then they can check off the red woodpecker and the endangered bald eagle off the endangered list.
Wow, I gotta say, I didn't think there was very much that could change my mind, but after hearing that and how important that the Dade County /pine is, I can't see how we could possibly cut any of these down. We're gonna have to find another place to build our Costco.
Yes! I saved another /pine. Don't worry, /pine. You got many more years to grow.